Are you looking forward to sign up for the NFL Sunday Ticket student discount? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily sign up for the NFL Sunday Ticket student discount. So this is one of the official website which is gonna help you out. In this page, you can see the eligibility for the NFL Sunday Ticket student plan. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are 18 years of age or older. You must fulfill all of these steps in order for you to get the NFL student discount. You can simply read all of the things that is written here. Once you've read, the next thing you want to do is head over to YouTube and search for NFL. After that, right beside the subscribe option, you should see the option where it says plan or premium plan or also the student discount. You have to click on it. Right now, I couldn't find the option because I'm not in the specific country or the region. But for you, if it is available, then click on it and follow the on-screen process. And definitely you will be able to get the student discount for NFL ticket. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.